Do you guys think this is a cool thumbnail? I think it's a cool thumbnail. This is like a dream thumbnail. You know, the hunter dream who do manhunts. I will show you guys how to do something like this on your own. I'm using the NPC Studio Mod to do this. And I have made a video how to download it and then install. And now I'll show you how to do this kind of video. First off, we go into the NPC Studio Mod here. Press this NPC one. We will find like here is good, I think. Oh, we can build one. We can do it like this. It's actually easy to do this kind of thumbnails. After you've done it one time, this will be so easy for you. We can do it like this, and so I'm just making like this is the cave that the guy who's day hunting he dig in here. He has his crafting table here and a furnace like this. Maybe it's a copper or coal here, and maybe one here like this. So how to use this one? We take this one and we right click on the floor like here. Now we see it's an NPC popped up. Now we can change how this guy is looking, his skin, his armor, how he's moving, everything. We can change poses and things like that. I want him to look down here. So I will first do look at and headlock. So now he's looking down here. We can also press sneak. So he's looking down here. I want him to look more like here. Yeah, it's good. Now we can pick a skin on this guy. You can pick like the library they have, or you can search up any one you want here. Just anyone. I will take Bad Boy Halo because I know he's one of the hunters who always hunt Dream. And I can do inventory here. I can give him what he wants. What armor he should have. Like any armor here. Maybe this time we'll do chain armor on this guy. Like this. And we can pick a sword. No, he will use a spear. And maybe he will use the iron spear. In his right hand, you can pick whatever you want. You can have a shield, you can have a fishing rod. We will have a golden apple, maybe. It's cool. Like this. Yeah, this looks good. And we can hit maybe the right hand here, how we want him to point the spear. Maybe down. I think up is better. Like this. But this is good. This is our first character. Now we can do a dream. We go down here and we press the dream. I want him to sneak. And you can do the pose like head moving here, how his head wants. But if you want to do it fast, you could just like go up here, scroll down, Look at headlock. Now he's looking up. Maybe that's too much. Maybe something like that. Yeah, that's good. Sword. What sword do we want him to have? We want him to have a stone sword and no shield. And he don't want armor. He should not have armor. We make another guy here. Maybe right here. We can take some random guy here. This guy. Armor. This guy should have gold armor. We can just drag this in here. Sword. This guy will have gold sword and a shield. We can have him, if you go here, you can have him block the sword or don't. Press sneak. If you have using this tool and you want this guy to, if you want to do like something with this guy, you can just switch by pressing the character. Go ahead. We just do like this. Headlock, look at. We choose another skin, this guy. Armor. This guy gonna use copper. No, this guy also using spear. Netherite spear. And we do one more up. Where's 3 good? No, we take 4. Take this guy. Sneak. He will look down like this, and we do armor again. This guy will also have chainmail. Sword, stone sword. In his right hand, a potion. Can do like put something in the furnace for it to burn, so it looks good on the picture, like this. I think this is a cool thumbnail. We can do something more. Maybe we can do like fireplace, like I did. Do like this. So it looks like I think this looks cool. You can even do the pick a shader that you think is cool. Dream usually don't have shader when he's doing his thumbnails or his videos. Ah, this is cool. This is very cool. So this is how you're using this this NPC tool. If you want to delete one, you didn't think this guy was good or this guy, you could just pick the delete kit and you right click on the person you want to delete. You can delete this guy, and this guy, and this guy. play around with this mod. It's a very fun mod. You can make thumbnails, just like Dream and some other famous YouTubers. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you think this was helpful.